What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining. We got a quick 5-minute cardio workout here. No equipment is required. You could do this anywhere. You can modify any of the moves if you need to, as long as you get that good workout in. All right, here we go. We're just gonna start with some skiers here, okay? So feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in those knees. Just gonna hop, nice and gentle, side to side. So we got 5 moves today, 1 minute each move. Do what you can. It's a quick workout. It's just to get that little bit of something in between anything that you need to, or it's just something you could add on to your workouts before or after. It could be that warm up you need or that finisher that you need. Exhale that breath. Swing those arms as you hop side to side. Low impact, no jump is required. You can just do a side step, big giant side step with those bending those knees, reaching those hands up though. Good work, everybody. How are we doing today? Keep it breathing. Remember, that's the key. Get into a good breathing rhythm. Never hold that breath, and just do what you can. Stay light on those feet, okay? We don't want to make a big noise as we hop, as we jump. A few more here. Good job, everybody. Good work. All right, gonna relax. Next up, we are doing 5 jumping jacks with a little shuffle to the side and 5 more. It's gonna look like this. Feet together, we're just gonna come out. You're gonna do 5, drop nice and low, shuffle to the side. You choose your distance, and then you hit 5 more. Good work, good work. Remember on those laterals, we bend those knees. We get nice and low. It's a low ceiling on you. It's a low ceiling. You pick those feet up, and you hit jacks again. Good job. Exhale that breath as you bring those hands up for the jumping jacks. Again, pick those feet up. Keep breathing. Nice job, everybody. How we doing? How we doing, everyone? Keep it going. All right, bring it right back to that center. Here we go. Nice hands up. Twist the jabs. Exhale that breath. Side to side, feet flat against that ground. Twisting that body. Remember, we're still working a little cardio here. Okay, so I want you to move those jabs. I want them to be fast jabs. Keep it breathing. Exhale that breath every single jab. 30 seconds in. We are doubling it up, 2 jabs each side, so we're gonna move a little bit faster. Punch like you mean it, everyone. Punch like you mean it. Twisting wall to wall. Good, nice job, everyone. Almost there. 2 jabs each side. Punch like you mean it. Excellent, excellent work, excellent work. 1 more on each side. Bring it on down. Side steppers are next. We're gonna keep our bodies centered. 1 leg extends out, hand extends out, and you just switch. Just right here. So keeping that body centered, right over that knee, switching sides, moving those feet. Again, cardio is always up to you. You pick up that speed if you need to. Side to side motion. We stay light on those feet. We stay breathing. We stay working. Good job, everyone. Good job. Good job. Keep it going. Can we go a little faster? Nice. As you're doing, you get a little more comfortable. You can pick up that speed. Remember, we're always staying bent knee. Body over that bent knee. Breathe in. Exhale that breath every time you kick out. Nice work. Keep going, keep going, keep going. How are we doing? Almost there. All right, bring it on up. Last move here, that 5th move. We got some front kicks. Swing those arms. Hands at center. Kick it out to the side. Front kicks and side kicks. Get that leg up nice and high. Keep that body moving. Swinging those arms. Working some shoulders as well. Breathe in. Nice work. Keep it going, keep it going. Can we get those kicks a little bit higher, a little bit faster? Stay balanced at center. Remember, my hands are at center to help me stay balanced. Keep my core centered. Exhaling the breath every time we kick. Good job. You got it. Keep moving. Almost there, almost there. We got a few more. Great job in this work. Again, if you need a little bit more, check out the rest of my channel. Plenty of workouts to add on to this. Don't forget to subscribe, and one more, and relax. Nice, good breath, inhale. Great job today, everybody. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It shows me so much love on YouTube when you do that, when you smash that subscribe button. Exhale, come on down. Bring it on back up. And nice job today, everybody. Give yourselves some sway, grab some water. Again, check out the rest of my channel if you haven't. And until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flex, and I'll see you in the next workout.